3, 2, 1.
In what month and year did John McEnroe become the world's #1 player according to the Association of Tennis Professionals? The answer is A. March 1980. In astronomy, what is a syzygy? The answer is B. An alignment of 3 celestial bodies. I'm small, but I can make a big difference. What am I? The answer is B. Power up. The magnitude of the wave function at a particular point in space is proportional to what property of the wave at that point? The answer is B. Amplitude. The combination of which perfume notes comprises the so-called main theme of a perfume? The answer is B. Middle and base notes. What ocean borders the west coast of Africa? The answer is A. Atlantic. Bad Hat Harry, the company that co-produces the series House, is named after a line from what 1975 blockbuster movie? The answer is D. Jaws. Which item of clothing covers the head and shoulders? The answer is D. Cloak. Displacement divided by time is equal to the average what? The answer is D. Velocity. What term in physics refers to the use of force to move an object? The answer is D. Work. I have leaves like fingers, but don't clap. What am I? The answer is C. Kale. Which weather phenomenon causes a red sky at sunset? The answer is C. Clouds. I live without moving. I die without being born. What am I? The answer is C. Mountain. Where was Methodism founded? The answer is D. Oxford University. What is the study of the brain called? The answer is A. Neurology. Plants often use which enticing substance when attracting pollinators? The answer is A. Sweet things. Which piece of clothing is used to cover the head and neck? The answer is B. Scarf. Which fashion designer was known for his power dressing style? The answer is C. Donna Karan. What kind of nightmare does Ed have at the end of the 1972 movie Deliverance? The answer is D. A dead man's hand appears from the lake. Which city hosts the Indianapolis 500? The answer is C, Indianapolis. How much could a full-grown Smilodon weigh? The answer is B, 450 pounds. What could be a conductor of energy? The answer is A, nickel. I have cities, but no buildings. What am I? The answer is C, atlas. Which tool is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts? The answer is A, wrench. I have a head, a body, and no legs, yet I'm not a monster. What am I? The answer is A, keyboard. Who is the Greek king whose family was cursed by Ares in the Trojan War? The answer is D, Agamemnon. I'm built to follow commands, yet I never sleep. What am I? The answer is C, algorithm. In the 1981-1982 season of One Day at a Time, Anne Romano goes into business with her nemesis, Francine Webster, who was played by what actress? The answer is B, Shelley Fabares. I have chapters but no pages, and no words to say. What am I? The answer is B, library. Which piece of clothing is a fedora? The answer is A, hat. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen in its solid state? The answer is C, OS. What is used for carving or chiseling? The answer is A, chisel. The amount of elements heavier than hydrogen is constantly increasing in the universe. Which best identifies the bodies in which this change is taking place? The answer is A, stars. Who sang Bohemian Rhapsody? The answer is A, Freddie Mercury. Which is most responsible for recycling dead plants and animals in an ecosystem? The answer is B, bacteria. What is the dominant form of ecosystems species? The answer is D, angiosperms. Which company created the first commercial browser? The answer is A, Netscape. What popular actress made a cameo appearance in the 1992 movie The Player, starring Whoopi Goldberg?
The answer is B, all of these.
Which kitchen tool has a long, thin blade? The answer is A. Knife. 3 of the following vessels are sister ships. Which one does not belong to the group? The answer is A. Ostrich. Which electric car manufacturer's logo is a star? The answer is B. Tesla. What is the common name for the compound calcio-42? The answer is A. Saltpeter. Who is the sculptor behind David? The answer is C. Michelangelo. I'm found in every second, minute, hour, and day. What am I? The answer is D. Silence. Which outermost secondary xylem layers transport water? The answer is A. The youngest. Puddles on a sidewalk are evaporating quickly. What most likely causes the puddles to evaporate? The answer is A. Heat. Which state has the smallest area in North America? The answer is C. Rhode Island. What is the study of human emotion, including feelings and moods? The answer is C. Psychology. Fish move best through water when their fins are. The answer is A. Large collect. Steve Martin made his first appearance on The Tonight Show, hosted by Johnny Carson, in what year?